Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Your donation changes lives.
By providing scholarships.
Thank you. Because of your support, we are able to help our students succeed. Falcons up!
Thank you, friends, for donating to our third annual Falcon Giving Day. We're so honored to have the generous support of you, our friends here in the community that really care about this university and want to make sure that we serve our students in the best way possible. Your gifts will allow us to really take care of our students, scholarships, the emergency fund, the pantry, all of the things that we need to make sure that our students can really be successful. Thank you so much for being a part of this Giving Day. We managed to reach our goal. Yay, we're so excited. So thank you for your generosity, and Falcons up.